Hello guys, my name is Oleg. I'm your Russian strict ballet teacher. And today we are going to learn a very interesting combination of rond de jambe and l'air. During this video you will understand for what we are doing this movement and how to do it correctly. We will find many details what make you en l'air better, and I hope we will have some fun. So it will be en l'air for intermediate level, and before we start, leave me comment below this video, let me know what you want to see next time, and press like, of course. And let's do it. The combination starts with preparation as usual. So fifth position for rond de jambe en l'air, open allonge, and here we will use our demi-plie with coup de pied, connection here, open preparation. Start with en l'air and 1 and 2, rond forward, return back, double with body, double and done with body, close passe, open front, rond to the side. First double stay, second double releve, third double stay, and last double with plie, fifth double pull up, turn your head with arm and close in the fifth position, plie, and everything for undedone. We just change all directions, so it will be en l'air undedone, undedone, plie to the back with plie, pull up side, first en l'air with allonge, second close forward, when close passe, first open to the side, and en l'air, en l'air, en l'air, en l'air, en l'air, and close in the fifth position after it. Let's find interesting details here and discuss some mistakes what I usually see on the lessons around the whole world. So students from everywhere do the same mistakes. So first of all, our en l'air, you shouldn't do it together with your thigh when you bend your knee. Yeah, it's not this movement. You should hold it and work only with your shin. Only in this case we improve our muscles in our thigh and we find the best static position what we can. Yeah, improving happens here, not with your knee all the time. The second thing, when we do rond together with demi-plie, we should find connection in our head, supporting knee with plie and with our rond, and everything come at the same time. It's not 1, 2, 3 together change, together pull up. Yeah, don't forget about your head. As usual, front or back, we turn our head. Yeah, it's a golden rule of ballet. The second thing, when we do double en l'air, yeah, it's very important, especially here, because we do it together with the body. Accent also happens in the end, in the whole body. Yeah, you see, only in the end I change my arm and head. The same for undone. Yeah, connection happens with opening, not with closing, to match like all parts in our body. So it's our double 1, our double 2, after it we close passe together with the first position, open it front, rond to the side. We don't turn our head here because we don't need it, because after it we have double en l'air and we just can have a straight position. First double without any changing in your supporting side, double 1, second double, only in the end you pull up your releve, only in the end heel, only in the end plie, and only in the end pull up. 5 en l'air, double en l'air in a row. Yeah, so and only in the end with your second opening you change supporting side without changing releve, heel, plie, pull up, and after it we do allonge, pull up our body and allonge, close in the fifth back, and try to connect it here. It's a really great thing when you can connect your under and done part without this weird stop between them. Allonge, slowly close in the fifth, plie and open again. Also, I haven't said anything about double en l'air. Yes, the same rule like for single. We don't change our thigh level. It's the same angle. You should control it. But here we are interested in second opening. Yeah, the first one should be a little bit shorter because usually it's a really strong movement with accent out. Yeah, and here we should do a 1 and 2. Yeah, and it's great if you can do pause after it with accent, no matter how fast the combination. Yeah, so when it's faster, it's much better if you also can do this pause, pa-pam, pa-pam, pa-pam. It shows a lot of control of your body, so it's kind of a trick. Okay, let's slowly remind all things what we should think about during this combination. allongé, open, plie, open, rond. First on layer, second one, rond with plie, pull up, double with body, pass front, open side. First double without changing, with relevé, with heel, with plie, fifth one pull up, allongé separately, close, plie and underdone for everything. Wow, it's kind of difficult. There are a lot of moments when we should connect our upper part and bottom part together. When we do double, when we close passe. Yeah, it's a really important coordination of ballet, what we really love in the Russian school, what arms and legs work together. Sometimes arms work earlier. Yeah, it's really bad when you already close and only after arms. Yeah, I see this connection here. Okay, let's do it with music, only on the or part. Preparation, plie 1, open side, and first and second with plie and change, double change. Second, passe, front side, without, with relevé, heel, plie, pull up, allongé, close fifth, plie and open. If you have some space, it's really great if you just try to understand the coordination together with me. Yeah, it's not necessary to do it really in a full power together with me, because sometimes ballet it's not about hard and difficult movements. Sometimes it's about easy coordination what's difficult to understand. It's really important to listen to music in ballet. We can't work without it, because every our movement should happen together with the accent to help the movement. Yeah, and it looks much more interesting if you work with it. So if you didn't get it well, you can move to previous part when I showed it with music and just repeat it few more times to make sure you know it. And now we are going to do it from the beginning to the end, and the or and then part. Yeah, it will be difficult, I know, but let's try to do it. Fifth position, prepare your body, maybe just coordination, but try to do it. And open, allongé, first plie, open to the side, hold the thigh level, 1, 2, plie change, pull up, double 1, double 2, passe, front side, without, with relevé, with heel, with plie, with pull up, allongé, close plie, open it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, double, passe, back side, without, relevé, heel, plie, pull up, allongé, and close and finish. I haven't danced for 2 years, so for me it's also really difficult experience, but we do it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget what you always can find full video of this combination on my Instagram profile. Let me know in the comments how you found this video. Is it interesting or not? And see you next time.